If your toilet's not flushing at all, don't stress, we've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix toilet not flushing, step by step. Whether it's a clog, a broken flush valve, or something else, I'll walk you through the easiest solutions to get your toilet working properly again. Toilet that won't flush can be a huge headache, but the good news is, fixing it is often simpler than you might think. In this video, I'll cover the most common reasons why your toilet might not flush and how to fix toilet not flushing quickly. From adjusting the water level in your tank to repairing the flush mechanism, I'll share everything you need to know. Here's what we'll go over: how to fix toilet not flushing due to a clog, how to adjust the water level in your toilet tank to get a better flush, how to repair or replace a broken flush valve, troubleshooting other issues that might prevent your toilet from flushing. Now, if your toilet's not flushing at all, there's no need to call a plumber just yet. These simple fixes might be all you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix toilet not flushing, saving you time and money. What you'll get from this video: easy ways to identify the issue, step-by-step instructions for fixing a toilet that won't flush, tips to avoid future flushing problems. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY home repair tips. Have any questions about how to fix toilet not flushing? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Be sure to subscribe for more practical home repair guides, and check out my other videos for more plumbing tips. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix that toilet in no time. And if you're still having trouble, it's always okay to call a professional. But hopefully with these tips, you'll be able to solve the problem yourself.